for important steps to reduce operation and maintenance costs in PV panels. Reducing operation and maintenance costs helps solar power plants operate more efficiently and profitably. But how can we reduce the operation and maintenance costs of solar power plants? Here are some points to consider for reducing the operation and maintenance costs of solar power plants. 1. Maintenance and repair planning. Planning maintenance and repair operations ensures timely execution and helps control costs. 2. Equipment selection. Selecting longer-lasting, higher efficiency, and lower maintenance equipment helps reduce costs. 3. Efficiency-boosting practices. Various technologies can be applied to solar power plants to increase efficiency, such as better panel positioning, shading prevention measures, and cable management. 4. Thermographic inspection. Thermographic inspection of solar power plants is an important tool for regular maintenance and repair. This inspection detects potential problems and enables timely intervention. Thermographic inspection is an essential method for reducing operation and maintenance costs in solar power plants. The operation and maintenance costs of solar power plants depend on many factors, such as regular maintenance and repair, equipment selection, and efficiency-boosting practices. Careful attention to these factors helps reduce the costs and operate solar power plants efficiently. Mapperx is software developed for the efficient analysis and reporting of thermographic inspection data. This software is a crucial tool for reducing operation and maintenance costs in solar power plants. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.